how to fix this error or loop, insert your security key into the USB port. Alright, so what we need to do is to open up Edge first, if you're using Edge, and then click on the three dots here in the top right, and we want to find settings. From within the settings, from the left hand bar, we are just going to click on passwords and autofill, and then choose Microsoft Password Manager. Here, click on more settings and make sure that, where is it? Autofill, password and keys, this one is turned on. Once you have turned this on, then we want to click on Manage Passkeys in Windows Hello. So once we click on Manage Passkeys in Windows Hello, then here, if you don't have Windows Hello set up, you will need to set it up. So here where it says you will need to set up a Windows Hello pin, make sure you click on Setup. And if you don't find it or can't find it, click on Accounts. Then you want to go into Sign-in Options, and here where it says Windows Hello, this option is currently unavailable for me, or Security Key. You want to go ahead and expand these options and sign in to apps with physical security key here. We just want to go ahead and disable it from this section. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.